I keep getting this complaint all the time. My manifestation doesn't work. Why? Today I will give you three powerful reasons why your manifestation is not working. Hi, my name is Indu Khatri. Me and my husband Mitesh Khatri, we are law of attraction coaches and author of this book, The Law of Attraction. We've been doing this for last 20 plus years. So today we will talk about why your manifestation is not working. So let's say you are saying that okay मैम I have prepared my affirmations, visualization मैं रोज करती हूँ, मैंने vision board बना दिया है, मुझे complete clarity है कि मुझे क्या करना है, क्या चाहिए, क्या नहीं चाहिए, सब clear है. Perfect, bang on, good job. Now in spite of that आपका manifestation काम नहीं कर रहा है. Why? Very simple. Say morning में आपने visualization कर लिया, affirmation कर लिया, gratitude कर लिया, सब कर लिया. What happens during the day? What did you do during the day? Are you cribbing, complaining? Are you getting angry at people? Are you resenting people? What are you feeling during the day? Are these feelings common for you? If that is the case, then whatever you did in the morning, वो पूरा खत्म. पानी फिर गया उसके ऊपर, हिंदी में बोलते हैं. Full manifestation, what you did in the morning, only for say 10 minutes or 15 minutes, is gone because during the day you were feeling all angry, resentment, फ्रस्ट्रेशन, चिड़चिड़ा, कंप्लेन, क्रिप, जो भी आपके फीलिंग्स आ रहे हैं, ये सारे नेगेटिव फीलिंग्स ने उस सुबह के मैनिफेस्टेशन पे पानी फिर दिया. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? सो दैट्स द फर्स्ट रीजन. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? यू हैव टू स्टॉप क्रिबिंग, कंप्लेनिंग, रिजेंटमेंट, एवरीथिंग. हाउ डू यू डू इट? इट्स अ नेचुरल प्रोसेस. कोई भी आएगा, कुछ बोलेगा, आपके मुंह से कुछ निकल सकता है. आप एंग्री हो सकते हो, आपको गुस्सा आ सकता है, आपको कंप्लेन आ सकती है, आपको क्रिब हो सकता है. दैट्स नेचुरल, नो प्रॉब्लम. How do you change it? Say cancel, cancel. Simple. I'll give you an example. Say I'm manifesting that I'm having great relationship with Mitesh. Morning मैंने उठी, अच्छे से मैंने vision board देखा, वहाँ पे अच्छे हमारे photos लगे हुए हैं. And I chanted also that I have brilliant relationship with Mitesh. I love him. He loves me. We have romantic relationship. Blah blah blah. Okay. And then during the day, I call a couple of my girlfriends and I talk to them and I complain. यार पता है मितेश ने ये कर दिया, मितेश ने वो कर दिया, मितेश ने चिल्ला दिया, मितेश तो यही कर देता है, मितेश तो वही कर देता है, मितेश ये ठीक से बात नहीं करता है, मितेश ऐसा नहीं करता है. अब आप मुझे बताओ, will my manifestation which I manifested in the morning work? Will the affirmation which I recited in the morning work? It will not, because morning में मैंने affirmations बोला, that time I was not so emotionally charged, but in the evening or during the day when I was complaining, cribbing about Mitesh, I was emotionally charged. Trust me, this will work faster than the morning manifestation. Now, what is the second one? Second one is you got too attached to it. ये नहीं होगा तो जिंदगी रुक गई मेरी. मुझे अगर इंक्रीमेंट नहीं मिला तो जिंदगी रुक गई मेरी, या मेरी शादी नहीं हुई तो जिंदगी रुक गई मेरी. If you are attached to it very strong, then that calls for a desperation. Then that gets you into a feeling कब होगा कब होगा कब होगा. And that is again a negative feeling. If you've got attached to your goal, your objective, then my suggestion is drop your attachment. Do it right now. Take your hand and say, I'm dropping my attachment. I'm dropping my attachment to this job. I'm dropping my attachment for this marriage. I'm dropping my attachment to this increment, to this salary, whatever it is. Just do this with action. And during the day, whenever you feel that you're getting attached to your goals too much, take your hand like this and drop. Say it loud. I'm dropping my attachment, whatever it is. Now I'm giving you a third reason, which is again a very powerful reason, and it will definitely fit into yours if your manifestation is not working. The reason of doubt. Doubt, as in, I'll give you example first and then I'll explain. So you went to the restaurant. You placed an order for say Matar Paneer. Now you're nicely sitting and chit-chatting with your family or friend, whoever you went with. Are you doubting? उसके पास मटर होगा क्या? उसके पास पनीर होगा क्या? या मिर्ची की जगह वो शक्कर तो नहीं डाल देगा खाने में? Are you doubting that? No, right? You place the order and you are confident कि आपने मटर पनीर का ऑर्डर प्लेस किया तो आपको मटर पनीर ही आएगा आपके टेबल पे. When you get into a bus, you don't know the driver, right? But you trust the driver and you believe that yes, he will take me wherever I want to go. To right destination. Just that way, when you place the order to the universe of your manifestation, of your goals, please trust the universe that जो आपने ऑर्डर किया है वो होगा डिलीवर ऑन टाइम दैट टू. सो दैट्स द थर्ड रीजन, डाउट. यू आर डाउटिंग, होगा नहीं होगा, करेगा क्या नहीं, ये सिचुएशन ऐसी बुरी है, ये है वो है. यू हैव 100 रीजंस फॉर नॉट गेटिंग व्हाट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर. एंड यूनिवर्स इज सेइंग भाई मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, तुम क्यों बीच में पढ़ रही हो. एग्जैक्टली, ही इज वर्किंग ऑन इट, जस्ट लेट हिम वर्क. यू प्लेस द ऑर्डर, शांति से बैठो, रिलैक्स मारो, you will get what you're looking for, but you'll have to trust. So leave your doubt, let go of your doubt and trust the universe. You get into the plane, you don't know the pilot, but you trust the pilot and you believe that yes, वो ले जाएगा मुझे जहाँ ले जाना है. Similar way, why can't you trust the universe? You know the universe, trust the universe. He will take you wherever you want. So you understood the three reasons, right? We need to break these three reasons. What are those three reasons? First, what are you feeling during the day? Second, what is the attachment? Drop that attachment. Third, trust the universe. Drop your doubts and trust the universe. Once you do these three, once you let go of these three reasons, you will see your manifestation running really fast. If you want to increase speed of your manifestation further, you can join us in daily magic practice, which happens every day, Monday to Friday, live with Mitesh Khatri. You can join us. I'm giving you the link in the description. You are most welcome to click on it and join.